Unveil the ancient secrets of ginger, a root revered for centuries in traditional medicine. Discover how this humble root can transform your health, from boosting immunity to aiding digestion. Also, we explain who should avoid ginger and why. Join us on a journey through time to explore the good, the bad, the ugly of a ginger. Let's start with good, its top 3 benefits. The first great benefit is ginger helps with digestion, bloating, indigestion, nausea. These are modern-day ailments that ginger has been tackling for centuries. It works its magic by stimulating digestive juices and promoting gastric emptying. This means food moves through your system more efficiently, reducing that uncomfortable feeling of fullness and bloating. Ginger can also help calm an upset stomach, whether it's due to motion sickness, morning sickness, or even chemotherapy-induced nausea. Think of ginger as a gentle but effective assistant, helping your digestive system do its job. When it comes to easing occasional digestive discomfort, ginger can be a valuable ally. The second big plus of the ginger that it reduces inflammation. Chronic inflammation in particular is being linked to a whole host of health problems. Gingerols work by blocking the production of inflammatory chemicals in the body. This can help reduce pain and swelling associated with conditions like osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, and even muscle soreness after exercise. Now, we're not suggesting you ditch your doctor's advice and rely solely on ginger, but incorporating ginger into your diet can be a powerful complementary approach to managing inflammation. Think of it as adding another tool to your toolkit, a natural way to support your body's own healing mechanisms. Ginger's anti-inflammatory effects, coupled with its long history of use, make it a compelling option for those seeking natural ways to combat inflammation. The third benefit is ginger boosts immunity. It's our body's first line of defense against a world teeming with microbes. And in today's world where we're constantly bombarded with stress and environmental toxins, keeping our immune system strong is more important than ever. Ginger's immune-boosting properties stem from its high concentration of antioxidants. These powerful compounds help protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals, those pesky molecules that can wreak havoc on our health. By neutralizing free radicals, ginger helps create an environment where our immune cells can thrive. But that's not all. Ginger also possesses antimicrobial properties, meaning it can help fight off certain bacteria and viruses. Studies have shown that ginger can inhibit the growth of bacteria like E. coli and Salmonella, common culprits in food poisoning. Now let's debunk some common myths surrounding this popular root. Myth number 1. Ginger cures cancer. While some studies suggest that ginger may have anti-cancer properties, it's crucial to remember that these are preliminary findings. Ginger is not a replacement for conventional cancer treatments. Myth number 2. More ginger is always better. As with most things in life, moderation is key. Consuming large amounts of ginger can lead to side effects like heartburn, diarrhea, and gas. It's best to start with small amounts and increase gradually. Myth number 3. Ginger is a magic bullet. Ginger is a powerful food, but it's not a magic bullet. It works best in conjunction with a healthy diet, regular exercise, and stress management techniques. When to watch your ginger intake. It's important to be mindful of your intake, especially if you have certain health conditions or are taking medications. If you're pregnant or breastfeeding, it's best to consult with your healthcare provider before consuming large amounts of ginger. While small amounts are generally considered safe, excessive consumption may pose risks. Individuals with gallstones should use ginger cautiously, as it can stimulate the gallbladder and potentially exacerbate symptoms. Ginger can interact with certain medications, including blood thinners and medications for diabetes and high blood pressure. If you're taking any medications, it's crucial to talk to your doctor before adding ginger to your diet. Finally, let's talk about the ginger's different forms. It's available in various forms, each with its own unique characteristics and applications. Fresh ginger is the most potent form, offering the fullest flavor and aroma. It's ideal for grating into dishes, brewing into tea, or juicing. Look for plump, firm roots with smooth skin. Dried ginger or ground ginger is made by drying and grinding ginger root. It has a more concentrated flavor and is commonly used in baking and spice blends. Store dried ginger in an airtight container in a cool, dark place. Crystallized ginger or candied ginger is made by cooking ginger in sugar syrup. It's a sweet and spicy treat that can be enjoyed on its own or chopped and added to baked goods. Pickled ginger, a staple in Japanese cuisine, is made by pickling young ginger shoots in a sweet and vinegary brine. The lastly and most delish is making ginger a part of your healthy routine. Incorporating ginger into your diet doesn't require elaborate recipes or culinary expertise. Grate fresh ginger into stir-fries, soups and curries for a burst of flavor. Brew a soothing cup of ginger tea. Simply simmer a few slices of fresh ginger in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. Strain and enjoy. Incorporate ginger into your baking. Ground ginger adds a warm, spicy note to cookies, cakes and pies. Experiment with crystallized ginger for a chewy, candied treat. Get creative with ginger dressings and marinades. Combine grated ginger with soy sauce, sesame oil, and a touch of honey for a flavorful marinade for tofu or chicken. Experiment with different forms of ginger, explore its culinary potential, and discover the ways this remarkable root can enhance your well-being. Whether you're seeking to soothe an upset stomach, combat inflammation, or simply add a zesty kick to your meals, ginger offers a world of possibilities. So go ahead, grate it, brew it, savor it, let ginger's magic unfold in your kitchen and in your life. Thank you for watching, subscribe and stay healthy. Until next time.